Hello again, my name is Maria Bogunovic and I'm a flight attendant for Air Serbia. In today's video, I'm going to show you two things. First, how to make a perfect round bun, and second, how to tie your scarf and get that Air Serbia cabin crew look. So let's begin by making a low ponytail. Grab your hair donut or use a hairogami like the one I'm using today. Place the hairogami somewhere in the middle of the length of your hair and then start scrolling it till you reach your head. The next step would be to twist the hairogami down and voila, your bun is ready. Place the hairnet that matches your hair color and try to collect all the hair, especially the elusive parts, so the bun looks as neat as possible. To finish your look, use a satin strap in dark color, just like the one I have here today, and wrap it around your bun. For the sides, feel free to use hairpins for baby hair. I will use one on each side, but you're allowed to use 6 visible hairpins in total. And as you can see, my hair is now done. We now move on to the scarf. Place the middle of the scarf on your neck and wrap it around, not too tightly. Take one edge of each side and cross it like this. Slowly, pull one side up and the other down until you reach the part of the scarf around your neck. Lastly, make a slight knot and pull the whole scarf on the right side, so the knot is almost on your right shoulder. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye.